Our literature is based on different well-established theoretical frameworks. First of all, we used the resource-based view for sustained competitive advantage, which is an influential theory in management science to examine the links between market-based strategic resources, capabilities, firm performance, and competitive advantage. First of all, we have to define our concepts. What are resources? Resources are all tangible assets, that is financial, human resources, including real estate, raw materials, machinery, plant, patents, cash, but above all, intangible assets. That is, marketing capabilities, organizational processes, information, knowledge, reputation, culture, embedded in organizational routines, such as organization's knowledge or know-how, experience, but also customer relationships, and so on. These tangible and intangible assets are controlled by a firm and enable them to conceive and to implement strategies that improve its efficiency and effectiveness. So these are resources. The resources to be considered as differentiating should follow the following criteria. They should be valuable, that is, enable a firm to implement strategies that improve its efficiency and effectiveness. They should be rare, not available and not imitable by competitors, so imperfectly imitatable, and non-substitutable. They should not be able to be replaced by other non-rare resources. So these four criterions should be respected to have a valuable resource. Strategic resources subsequently create competitive advantages if they are leveraged by capabilities via organizational processes that create value for the firm. Capabilities, so we have defined now resources. We have now to define capabilities. Capabilities are a harmonized combination of multiple resources, organizationally embedded, non-transferable. The purpose is to improve the firm productivity of the other resources and performance. They are sources of competitive advantages, subsequently called core competency. So this is a resource-based view. We have combined this with the big data theory as a resource for sustained competitive advantage. So big data are resources, new technologies and applications, specific skills and organizational practices required to analyze complex business data to better understand businesses and make fact-based decisions. Big data are defined as the following by the 5 V's. Big data should have big volume in terms of storage, analysis of exabytes. They are characterized by a large variety. Purchase data, IoT, text and images. Velocity. They should be quickly accessible through the streaming of data. Veracity. They should be complete and not incomplete, and should avoid fake data. And finally, the 5th V is value. They should have the ability to create business models to make money for the corporation. Within the the resource-based view, we identify 3 holistic synergistic IT business value resources that form firm-level strategic big data resources called also BDR. Big data technology resources, which is information technologies which are necessary to handle big data. For example, data warehouses, analytics tools. Big data analytic skills, which are the human resources that have the knowledge to derive market insights from the data. And third, resources, organizational big data, which is the top management and culture support for big data related initiatives of a firm. A data-driven culture reflects an openness to systematically apply big data analytics to solve business problems. So for example, customer-oriented firms have the organizational resources and management support to support big data initiatives. While standalone big data related resources are easy to imitate, so it's easy to imitate databases or to collect data, higher order, holistic, synergistic big data resources assets are difficult to copy. IT as one resource has little or no value without the other resources, whereas big data-driven marketing is a strategic resource for customer data analytics to get insights for marketing decisions to offer good services that better meet individualized customer needs. So, in summary, we need these three dimensions of big data resources: technology, analytics, and organizational positioning and support to have really to create really business value. The third theory is the theory about marketing capabilities. Marketing capabilities are defined as a strategic firm capability to understand and meet customer needs and to deliver its products and services to customers. Again, they have to be synergistic and are related to transforming resources into products and services based on the firm's marketing process. That is, pricing, product, channel management, communications, information management, marketing planning, implementation, and sales. So they have to be combined to have to create value. And the final theory we are deploying to measure our moderator is the firm strategy, which refers to how a firm creates value and competitive advantages compared to competitors. According to Michael Porter, there are two different binary firm strategies: cost leadership, that is, firms that gain competitive advantages through lower costs and focus on efficiency gains by reducing costs across internal processes; and differentiation, firms that gain competitive advantages through understanding the market environment, that is, customers, competitors, and innovation. So it's a premium market. Firms emphasize on cost advantages or differentiation sets, different requirement for marketing capabilities to achieve superior performance. For example, for this differentiation strategy, the focus is on marketing capabilities with market-directed activities, for example, customer big data, market intelligence, customer relationship management, personalization, service orientation. Various cost leadership focus on marketing capabilities which are price-directed. So we could take an easy example. In the airline sector, we have Air France or KLM, Lufthansa being following a differentiation strategy. They're focusing on big data, customer knowledge, customer relationship management. And on the other hand, we have EasyJet or Ryanair focusing on cost leadership, neglecting the differentiation marketing capabilities like customer relationship management, but emphasizing cost leadership, that is, to be the cheapest offer on the market. The role of marketing and big data resources should be more important in firms that adopt a differentiation strategy, for example, Air France, KLM, as compared to cost leadership strategies as, for example, Ryanair or EasyJet. To summarize, here's our conceptual model and its hypothesis. So our model hypothesizes: first, hypothesis 1, that big data resources are leveraged via marketing capabilities. So it's a mediation link to ultimately enhance firm performance in hypothesis 2. So a mediating link between big data resources, the three dimensions of big data resources, IT, analytics, and organizational resources, on market-directed capabilities, marketing mix variables, on firm performance, customer satisfaction, market effectiveness, and profitability. And these effects are moderated upon the business strategy pursued by the firm, and that is, we consider that the impact of big data resources on marketing capabilities and firm performance is stronger for firms pursuing differentiation than pursuing cost leadership strategies.